Want to use Microsoft Edge's AI chat, but don't know where to start? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to access and use this powerful feature to get instant help while browsing. Let's unlock the AI chat right now. First, open the Microsoft Edge browser. Now, click on the Copilot icon at the top right. Here, you can ask any question you want. Just type your question and Copilot will answer. Click on the drop-down icon beside the message box. Here you can choose any option you need. I'm selecting Smart GPT-5 for better responses. Click on the plus symbol icon. Now you will see more useful options that you can select according to your need. Suppose you want to ask something about a specific web page. First, open that tab on your computer. Now click on Add Tabs in Copilot. Select the tab you want Copilot to use. Again, click Add Tabs to confirm. Now right here, summarize this video and press Enter. You will see the summary appear on the screen. Now, if you want an answer about a specific paragraph, simply select the paragraph you need on the web page. Right-click with your mouse and choose Ask Copilot. Click on Continue. And now you can see the result right away. That's it. You have successfully learned how to use the AI chat feature in Microsoft Edge to summarize web pages and ask questions from selected text. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.